Hello everyone, this is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Thanks for joining this today's session. Hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing well. Today we will talk about AWS SNS, like simple notification service, and in that what we'll going to show you what is the SNS and how we can create the topic, and then how to subscribe that particular topic, and once you subscribe, right, how we can activate the topic confirmation. Okay, so let's go to that. Like what is the first of all, what is the SNS, right? So Amazon Simple Notification Service is a fully managed like a messaging service, and it can be like application to application, or maybe it can be like application to person. I mean to say human being, like we can send a particular person email or SMS, like this, right? Okay. And it's a kind of lightweight, like a publish and subscribe. Like once publisher will be there, they will publish that message to the particular topic, and there will be multiple subscriber. They whoever the subscribe to that particular topic, right? One publisher publish that message to that particular topic, then subscriber automatically it will get that message. It will be delivered automatically. Whoever subscribe to that particular topic, right? So this kind of features, right? We can integrate like application to application or application to human. Okay, so guys, let's move on to the AWS console, and I will show you like how we can create like a simple notification service topic. Okay, so this is the dashboard. I have already created one topic is there, and for the topic there are multiple subscriber also is there. In my previous video, I have already demonstrated, right, like different kind of Lambda, AWS Lambda with SNS, right? So that time I have used this topic. So if you guys not yet watch my previous video like Lambda with SNS, so please have a look at. I will give those link into this video description. Please have a look at. And so let's go to topic. I will show you how we can create a topic. Click on create topic. Here two options basically. One is the FIFO order, like first in first out, and one is the standard one. FIFO order, what the both almost same, only difference is prototype is different. Like here that FIFO order, right? Prototype only like only SQS, like simple queue service, right? Simple queue service, right? And it is a standard one. Standard one, like it can be protocol SQS, Lambda, HTTPS, SMS, email, mobile application, endpoint, anything. So let's go to the standard first today, and let's give the like suppose. Okay. Topic display name, you can give optional as it is, or you can give some name. I am giving the same name. And this access policy all would be like optional basic access policy. I will select. Don't go advanced all these things. So default whatever it is there. Okay. And data protection also like basic only. I will go. Okay. Everything I will go default. I will not change anything here. Okay, as it is. So let's create this topic. Now our topic creation is done, right? We can push the message also here. But before that, I would like to create the subscription here. So I will show you how we can create the subscription. Create subscription and select the prototype here. As I said, right, multiple prototype. But if you select the FIFO order, right, then prototype only will be SQL. But here Lambda, email, JSON, HTTPS, whatever you want. Right? So let's select email first and give the email address here. Suppose. Okay, we can like create multiple subscription also. Okay, and subscription policy also I will go default. Okay, I will not change anything here. So let's create the subscription policy. So subscription is done. So let me show you that. Pending for confirmation, right? So this not yet confirmed, right? Pending for confirmation. So let's go. Pending for confirmation means we need to confirm from our go. We need to go to that email address, and there we need to confirm this subscription. Okay? It's kind of security purpose, like two-way communication. So you can see, right, the cloud tech demo. This is the message we got, and here is the confirmation link, right? So if you would like to confirm, then only you can whatever like if suppose I am publishing some message to this particular topic, right? If you confirm, then only you will receive. Otherwise, you won't receive those messages. So let's confirm that your subscription is confirmed, right? If you would like to unsubscribe, you can unsubscribe also by clicking this one. So let's go to here and refresh this. Now it is a confirmed, right? Email notification protocol, right? So now let's put some message here manually. In my previous video, I have already demonstrated like how we can push the message by programmatically by using Python and by Lambda. So guys, please have a look into that. And now manually I will push the message and we'll see like that those messages getting delivered to that topic or not, right? So here we can give the subject, suppose demo SNS topic, something like that. And this is TTL is the optional. If you like, you can give that TTL settings, or if you don't want, you don't need to give. It's optional completely. Like okay, and then here is the message. And there are two options. One is the identical payload, or maybe custom payload you would like to deliver. Right? Identical payload only. I would go high, something like that. And, just see. Something like that. Some message we can take, any message you can publish that. If you want type like binary number, array, string, whatever, if you want to give any type, message attribute type or value, then you can put that also. So let me publish this message. Now I have published this message, right? So let me go here. Here I supposed to receive that. See, I got this message. Demo SNS topic, right? Hi, this is Sambhu from CloudTrail GCP everyone. Thanks, Sambhu, right? So like this, we can do configure and like this, we can create also topics. So hope this session will helpful to you guys. And if you have any doubt or any comment, please put your comment to this video link comment section. I will address those comment in my subsequent video. If you like this session, this video, please subscribe and share with your friend. And so that this to support this channel, basically, please do this all these things so that I will get motivation from you guys. Thanks. Thank you. Chalo, bye. See you guys in my next video.